What's up guys, Jason here from Poor Man's Preparing, and in this video we're going to check out a starter bow drill kit made by Primitive Fire. So let's get started. Alright, there you see the whole kit. I've already opened it up. I have not used it. It does come already ready to go. The little burn-in mark here and the spindle they used to create the burn in there. Some jute twine. This is like the spindle rock. You put this in your hand and let the spindle spin in that, which is all kind of hard to do one-handed here, so bear with me. But yeah, it will be like that down in the board. Of course, the bow drill itself, and some jute. I don't know if I said that, and a little leather patch, which is for setting underneath right there to catch the embers. So we'll take this outside and give it a shot. This is something I've never done before. I understand the principle, I've seen videos on it, but this is a good way for me to learn a new skill and for you as well. So I might fail at it, and that's fine, no big deal. That's part of learning. But either way, whatever happens, I'll show it on this video. So let's take everything outside, get it set up, get the camera set up, and see if I can do it. Alright, we are outside now. I'm going to take a little bit of jute twine and fray it up to use as the bird's nest material. Like I said, this comes with the kit. So all you gotta do is basically just spray it up with your knife. It's real easy. Just to expose those fibers. Just get them fibers nice and exposed and you'll be good to go. It'll catch a ember really nice and turn it into a flame. So we'll just ball that up there and use that to make a small little example. That's all we need. If we get that going, we know we can start a fire. Alright, so let's give this a shot. Nope, I got the bow the wrong way. The handle's on this side. Alright. Take your little rock and hold it there. Alright, now, from what I've seen, you want to start slow until it gets good and warm. Try to move the drill down a little. There we go. And once it gets smoking good, you can really start to get into it. She's going good. Let's try that. So this part you want to be a little careful. If you can see that smoking. This part you don't want to be in a big hurry, because you don't want to have to do this several times because you will run out of breath. Alright, we got it transferred to our bird's nest. And there we have flame. Sweet. So we know this kit definitely works. Pretty cool. Of course, if you really wanted a fire, you'd add more to it. Yeah. Alright. So we know we could get a fire going with this bow drill. Like I said, if you really wanted a fire, you'd make a bigger bird's nest so it wouldn't burn up so quick, but it's still going over here with some decently dried grass. It was just mowed yesterday, so it's still a little wet. But this kit does work. Alright, so a lot of people probably will say, well, you can just make this for yourself in nature, which is true in a lot of cases, but not everyone can do that. They don't have the time, the resources, the knowledge, the forest by them, or the trees or whatever. If you live in a city, it's going to be really hard to do. But this kit is a good way for you to practice your skills, I think. And for $33.99, I mean, it really works, and it's ready to go right out of the box, which is really cool. So I'll leave a link in the description if you want to check this out. I think it's a pretty cool item to have. There's a lot of fun doing, and but yeah, I thought this was really fun, a really neat idea, especially if you have kids or something like this. This would be something really fun, a little weekend activity or something. So, but go check out the link in the description for more about it and to purchase it yourself. But as always, I want to thank you for watching this video. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button if you liked it. Share it out with your friends. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more. And remember, be ready.